One of the key features of Bose Professional's new global headquarters outside of Boston is the Experience Center, which showcases our products the way they're meant to be heard. We have a very wide base of customers, a very diverse set of applications that our products are used in, and so it's important to us to be able to represent all of those.
The Experience Center really is something to behold. It's really amazing how you can come into the space and see everything that we have to offer. It's a hand-on environment that showcases the full breadth of the Bose Professional portfolio and gives visitors from integrators and consultants to end users and internal teams a place to experience powerful, precision-tuned sound in real-world environments.
When we came in, it wasn't actually one space, it was a bunch. It was 2 floors of offices with concrete slab between them. So we had to demolish all of that and back it out to a shell. And only then could we begin to install the actual features of what became the Experience Center, the acoustical treatment, the HVAC, the lighting, the structural accommodations, the technical power. So it underwent a major transformation from when we came in to where it ended up. The Experience Center is a 3,500 square foot room, and we have about 8,000 square feet of acoustical treatment to make the room as controlled as possible. There's about 1,000 feet of conduit, about 4 miles of cable connecting everything together, and we have over 60,000 watts of power available to provide the lighting and sound and all the other technical systems. One of our main goals with the Experience Center was not only to provide a great place to see and listen to our products, but also to provide the right context so that they represent the ways that they're going to be used in the real world. Our customers work in a lot of different applications, and so the challenge was recreating the features of those environments all in one big space. And we did that by segmenting the space into a couple different subspaces.
We have an area dedicated to performance systems, which is mounted on the truss behind me. We also have areas that are dedicated towards smaller systems like restaurant, retail, hospitality type systems. We have an area that's dedicated to surface mount loudspeakers, where you may see systems that would be in between those performance and those commercial grade systems. So depending on what it is that people are looking for, we can tailor the experience to those areas and showcase the speakers, showcase the technologies in each of those areas. What's great about this Experience Center is that we've combined not just the audio and acoustic elements, but also the effects, the lighting, the layout, the architecture, everything to create that compelling experience. So if we want people's attention to be directed into the performance area, we provide lighting cues that match that to create that vibe, to create that experience. Whereas if we want to direct people's attention over to the commercial area, we adjust our lighting, we change the mood of the space to more closely mimic what it was that they'd be experiencing in those kinds of spaces and to focus their attention there.
Whether it's a performance environment or a commercial application or a portable environment, we want customers to come in and recognize the features of that environment that are familiar to them.
This space allows us to really hone in on what it is that people care about. We don't just bring people in and show them the same content again and again, no matter who they are. We tailor things to their needs. We understand what they're looking for. We show them what's most helpful to them, and we can do that in this space because of its flexibility and its adaptability. It really is eye-opening. It really does showcase what it is that we do differently, how it is that we don't just care about the technology in our products, but care about the end user experience. We really do care how these affect people when these products are installed out in the field.